Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about addition and subtraction of like and unlike radicals under Mathematics 9. So let us identify first what is like and unlike radicals. For like radicals, our condition is it should have same index and same radicand for it to be considered as like radicals. And for unlike radicals, it should have first same index and different radicands. Second, different index and same radicands. So let us have our example number 1, which is 2 square root of 5 and 4 square root of 5. Let us identify if it is like or unlike radicals. This is like radicals because it contains same index and same radicand. Same index, why? Though you cannot see it, but there's 2 here. Because when we are talking about radicals, when the index is 2, usually it is invisible and we are not writing it. So that's why they have the same index. And for the radicand is 5. As you can see naman, numbers are both 5. So it has the same radicand. Next, example 2. We have here 3 square root of 6 and 5 square root of 7. Is it like or unlike radicals? It is unlike radicals. Why? It falls under same index, which is 2 and 2, and it has different radicands because for the first equation that we have, our radicand is 6, and then for the other equation, we have here 7 as the radicand. Next, example 3, we have here square root of 11 and square root of 21. So for square root of 11 and 21, they are considered to be unlike radicals because they contains the same index but different radicands. The index is 2 for both of the equations and then different radicands because we have here 11 and 21. Now let us simplify the following. For example 1, we have here 4 square root of 7 minus 9 square root of 7. And this will be your solution. Since they are like radicals, just copy square root of 7 here. And then you have to subtract 4 and negative 9. So it is 4 minus 9. So 4 minus 9, that is equal to negative 5 square root of 7. No need to do anything with square root of 7 because we are just adding or subtracting the equations that we have here. What we are going to do is to subtract 4 and 9. It is because we have here different signs. 4 is positive, 9 is a negative number. So we have to subtract the numbers. 4 minus 9, that's 5. And then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So that's why we have here negative 5 square root of 7. Next, for example 2, we have here 3 square root of 5 minus square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5. This is another example of like terms because it contains the same index and the same radicands. If this is the case, like radicals, copy square root of 5. But please be reminded that for negative square root of 5, we have here 1. It is there, but we cannot see it because 1 is an invisible number here. So we have here 3 minus 1 plus 4. So 3 minus 1 is 2. plus 4 square root of 5. So 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 square root of 5. So that is the answer for example number 2, 6 square root of 5. Next, for example 3, we have here 7 square root of 2c minus 8 square root of c plus square root of 2c plus 6 square root of c. There are terms here that are like radicals, and there are terms here that are unlike radicals. So my advice to you is to have the like radicals first. So let's look for the partner of 7 square root of 2c. Let's write it here. 7 square root of 2c, and that is 2c. We will be including the sign, so plus square root of 2c. And then let's look for the partner of negative 8 square root of c. So minus 8 square root of c. So that is positive 6 square root of c. So plus 6 square root of c. Now let's combine like radicals. Please remember we have here 1, though we cannot say it. Okay? So it will become 7 plus 1, then copy square root of 2c minus 8 plus 6 square root of c. So 7 plus 1, that's 8 square root of 2c. Um, Negative 8 plus 6, that's negative 2. So negative 2 square root of c. Can we combine these two? No, it is because they are unlike radicals. What we can combine is like radicals only, but in this case, they are unlike radicals. So that is the final answer already. So this is it for our topic for today. My advice for you is to identify first the like radicals, and then if you found them already, combine them. And if you notice that they are unlike radicals, please do not proceed combining them because it is not possible to combine unlike radicals in addition and subtraction. Okay? So if you have further inquiries about the topic or about us, please contact the FB page of the Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.